It Is Well by Bethel Music, one of my faves. Kristene DiMarco is just bomb. Okay, so this is written in the key of G. We have 3 main chords, a G chord, C, D, and then E minor. Okay, so make sure to stop this video right now. Click on the description below. I have the chord sheet that you can print out, and that way you can follow along with me. At the end, when I play it from top to bottom, I will have kind of the chords and the song written above so that you can follow along that way, but it's a lot easier to print out a chord sheet or else pull it up on your iPad or something while you're watching so that you can follow through when I'm talking about the different chords. Okay, so G chord is made up of 3 notes. I love chording, it's just so simple. So we're gonna keep it in the root positions, and all that means is just like the original way the chord should be played. I normally love to play inverted chords because they're so much quicker and you don't have to focus on moving your hand all over the keyboard. But honestly, if you are a beginner, learn it in the root position like I'm gonna teach you today. And I promise you, as you get better, the inverted chords will be so much more simple, okay? So G chord, G, B, D, 1, 3, 5 is how I play it. And then D chord is D, F sharp, A. Okay, it has a triangle shape, D, F sharp, A. You can see that triangle there. E minor is just right next door to the D. We're gonna move it right here. E minor. C chord, maybe I missed that. Okay, so G, C chord, D chord, and E minor. That's it. Super simple, right? Okay, so let's just look at what our left hand can do. When our right hand is playing a chord, our left hand's just gonna play a single note. Like I said, this is the most basic way to play this song. So you wanna have the least amount of stuff going on at one time so that you can learn it well. Okay, so they got a G chord here. So a G note, sorry. D, E minor, and then whenever you play the C, back for the, you'll play it in the bridge, but you won't play it in the verses. Okay, so G, C, D, and E minor. Notice how your left hand doesn't have to move from this position, so just camp it out right here. Pretty simple, okay? So let's just look at what our hands can do when they're played together. G chord, okay, and left hand is just playing a single note, right? Okay, then we're gonna play a D chord for the verse, and D in the bass, and then E minor, and E in the bass. And you're just gonna repeat that. Okay, so let's just go through the first verse. I'm gonna sing it along so that you can kind of get an idea of how the melody works. Grander earth has quaked before, moved by the sound of his voice. Seas that are shaken and stirred can be calmed and broken for my regard. So you notice it's going from da 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 da. The D to the E is kind of quick. Here you have 2 beats. Da 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 da. Ba ba da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, so Through It All is just gonna go through the chorus. Through it all, my eyes are on you. Okay, it's just gonna go C, D, E minor. Through it all, my eyes are on you. It is well, D, with me. Back to the G. Far be it from me to not believe, even when my eyes can't see. And this mountain that's in front of me will be thrown into the midst of the sea. Back to that chorus. Through it all, my eyes are on you. So let's go into the bridge because this is beautiful. So let go, my soul, and trust in him. The waves and wind still know his name. So let go, my soul, and trust in him. The waves and wind still know his name. Then she goes into that outro, which is the It Is Well rendition. It is well. We're just gonna go through C, D, E minor through the whole thing. It's super simple. It is well with my soul. I kind of do this together, right? It is well. Together, right? Together, right? Together, right? With my soul. It is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. Through it all, you could just kind of go back and forth between the bridge and the chorus and kind of the outro and go back and forth, or you can look her up online and see exactly how she does it. But I'm gonna go ahead and play it top to bottom in just kind of a simple way, and enjoy. I hope you have a lot of fun with this. Grander earth has shaked before, moved by the sound of his voice. It seas that are shaken and stirred can be calmed and broken for my regard. And through it all, my eyes are on you. Through it all, it is well. And through it all, my eyes are on you. It is well with me. Far be it from me to not believe, even when my eyes can't see. And this mountain that's in front of me will be thrown into the midst of the sea. Through it all, my eyes are on you. Through it all, it is well. Through it all, my eyes are on you. It is well with me. So let go, my soul, and trust in him. The waves and wind still know his name. So let go, my soul, and trust in him. The waves and wind still know his name. It is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. It is well.